Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make wax melts using two different containers from Village Craft Candle to add something quick and easy to your product line. I am using our 6-cavity clamshell in square and pie shape today. You can also use a dye. Here I am using purple. A fragrance, I am using Clary Sage and Lavender. Add some dry lavender to give the wax melt a pop and make it stand out from the rest. I'm using a cutting board just to catch any spilled wax when pouring, but this is not essential when you are making your wax melts. I had already prepped the wax to pour and made sure to reference the IFRA chart for all of the proper measurements. So now I am going to slowly pour the melted wax into the container, making sure every cavity is filled. Now that the clamshell is filled, I'm going to sprinkle dried lavender in the melted wax so it settles at the bottom. Wait a little bit for the wax to dry and then add more lavender so it settles on top. Once it fully cures, you have yourself a batch of lavender wax melts. One thing to keep in mind is it's always great to have extra wax melt clamshells on hand, even if you're not planning on making any. If you have any leftover wax when making your batches of candles, you can repurpose the extra into wax melts. And there you have it. Make sure to follow us on socials and tag us in any posts about your wax melts or any of your DIYs. Thanks for watching.